Welcome to Da Nang. Let's check out the streets of the sunny, beautiful Da Nang. Look at this. It's a clear blue sky. It's non-stop hot and nice today. But still in the shade, it's cool. Doesn't get better than this. I might have to give a recommendation for February. I might. But subscribe, I will upload here every day, so you will see how February is here. But as of now, it's very nice. It's a nice, cool breeze. But as soon as you walk into the sun, it's hot. They're buzzing here, 10% surcharge. Gonna take a stroll to the Aussie Bistro. Let's check out what the Australians are doing. Maybe we'll pick up Marcus on the way. And check out the streets of the An Thuong area here in Da Nang, Vietnam. Banh Mi still closed. Okay. Got a new Korean restaurant here. Lots of trash. Okay, maybe it's gonna be gone tomorrow. And we are walking now here at the Le Quan Dao Street. We started at Sea Lounge, a restaurant and bar. So the restaurant is Sea Lounge and the bar is Sea Bar. And here we have a big hotel. Golden Lotus Grand Hotel, 4-star hotel. Looks old from the outside, but it's 2 years old. I think it's pretty new and modern. And pretty good actually. I did a review about that. Check out my main channel for that. And you can see super zen here at the moment. I think this tree is a pomelo tree, right? Let me know in the comments below. Is this a pomelo? Is this pomelo? Not 100% sure. But I see those trees everywhere. There is Zen Golo Cafe. Grüß Gott. How you doing? He's from the Baltics, but he speaks German. Very interesting. So let's see if we can have Marcus here somewhere. So Mia Restaurant, let's ask him also what he always eats there. Because many people actually eat at this restaurant, Mia Restaurant. And they claim they have the best panini in town. There we go. Best panini in town. Where's Marcus? There we have him. I think he eats there pretty often. Grüezi.
Hola, señor.
Servus.
¿Cómo estás?
Alles klar?
Yeah, natürlich.
Did you eat already?
Ja, ich hatte I had my eggs and my bacon.
Eggs and bacon?
Eggs and bacon, yeah.
Breakfast for champions?
It's my new breakfast for champions, yeah.
What are you doing?
Right now?
Yeah.
I'm just waiting. We'll drink coffee and then eat to the beach.
You want to go to Aussie Bistro?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
But I have to pay before I leave.
Why?
Yeah, exactly why.
Why?
Please, Mia, sponsor me.
Sammy,
Yeah.
I actually recognize them from your videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is your German friend.
Okay, what's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. I'm
Yeah.
recording right now.
Oh shit.
You like this? What did you get?
This is like cocoa coffee
And
with like coconut.
this is
and
funky. What is?
This
It's
is
a
beef.
waffle burger?
Yeah, beef with honey.
So this is a waffle and a burger patty and cheese?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know what-
All right. Let me know how it is, man. Okay. All right. Have a good one, man. What do you say? What do you say?
Do you have any member meetups? Any?
All right. So we just run into Kevin, but he asked me when is the next member meetup. I have to think about that. But you know what? Just come on Sundays to the Aussie Bistro. You're most likely gonna see me there. And Marcus, you will always see in some coffee shop.
Exactly. So you can avoid these places or you can visit us.
But it's interesting. They have, hello. Look at this. They have a new shirt here. They changed the
The logo.
logo, right? Yeah. Interesting. $2 t-shirt. Get yourself a Vietnam t-shirt. Look at this little Knutschkugel. I want to have one of those. That would be funny, right?
The color is interesting.
Yeah.
We have to do something for a certain group.
Yeah. And what about this taco place, man? I thought they opened up last month. It's
Maybe
still
they
not open.
Maybe they went bankrupt or because of Ted, so they
Oh, yes.
extended it.
Maybe they don't have staff. So this is a brand new taco place. It's not open, but if it opens, they said they're opening December 2024. But I'm pretty sure after that they will be open. I will try them out 100%. We need some good tacos in this country, hopefully. And here, this Pho place actually is open. Was open the whole time, right? This one? Oh, okay. And lots of people go actually eating here. It's a 24-hour Pho place. 24 hours. Look at this cute bike. What is that? It's an electric bike. Electric scooter bike.
And also you can put it together.
Oh yeah, true, and you can travel with it. But it would be nice if it's a little bit bigger. Imagine me on that thing. I mean, maybe I should just do it. Who cares?
Better than her. She's with the plants out of the booty.
What is this? Yo! My God. That looks very not good. Right, pharmacies on the right, massage places are open. But we're gonna go and see how our beautiful Australian friends are doing. Look at this. It's completely empty. All motorbikes are gone. I'm not sure if they're closed or if they're just rented out everything. It's very interesting. This is a condo building and hotel. I did a review there one time. It's a little bit weird. It's full of trash down there outside. It's like abandoned. Maybe it's closed. It looked like the abandoned building when I reviewed it as well. And this is a very interesting Korean it is a barbecue, I think. I see. So this is a Korean barbecue, and people sit inside and smoke cigarettes. It's very interesting. So I'm not sure how. So here you see the cigarette butts. It's not even. They don't even try to be open to anyone. But somehow there's still always some people inside having barbecue and smoking at the same time. I mean, yeah. It's weird. I don't even know if it's legal. Can you smoke inside a closed
I
restaurant?
have an info about this
Look at
apartment.
this. Oh, really? What's happening with that?
They're open soon, and it's around 10 or 11 million for 2 bedrooms or 1 bedrooms.
What?
Yes, it's a very good spot. Oh, I think he has to pass.
Oh, all right. Sorry.
Flamingo.
Flamingo Hotel,
Yeah.
guys. So
I wanna
this is
check
in
it out next time.
Lelo. All right. Should we check it out now?
Oh, let's do it. Just
Hello.
hello.
You have apartments? Oh, okay. Nice.
Hello.
Hello.
Cho nó xem hồ bơi được, nó sửa ngẫm nó đang chụp ảnh nó quay cho ta đấy.
To see?
Oh, cool.
This is my favorite.
Oh, so it has a elevator, a kitchen area downstairs. Okay, cool.
When do you will open?
Next week.
Next week?
Next
Oh, this is good.
Oh.
Very fast.
Are you 1 or 2 bedroom apartments?
I have 2 bedroom.
2 bedrooms? Oh, maybe I'll go in.
It's next to Aussie Bistro.
Yes, that would be good. How much is 2 bedroom?
11 million.
11 million, okay. And for long-term contract?
Yeah.
What is the shortest what you can do? Do you do 1 month by 1 month or just long
1
term?
month by month.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay.
New and
Okay, yeah, it's not done yet, but okay, so this is like a smaller room, I would say. And here you have a good shower, toilet, bum gun, noise, mirror, something like. Okay, you have a view over here. No ocean view, but still good. It's the first bedroom.
You say, when I want to rent this for 1 year, what is the price?
So there's the sink outside.
Not for 1 year, maybe 6 months.
You have a bathtub. It's pretty small here, but it would work. Toilet, bathtub. Pretty short bathtub though, but it is one. And then you have right away here the major bedroom.
And you have sea view.
You have a sea view, yeah. Sea view and yeah, you see almost the Sunshine Mountains. You see the Sunshine Mountains, some ships, and you're in the street of the Aussie Bistro. You can close this here, the blinds. And there also. Swimming pool. Oh, can we see that too? The AC unit over here.
And the bathtub.
Bed. It's 160. Yeah, it's a smaller bed. It's a 160, I think.
What is this? The shower?
Yeah,
Queen bed size.
Yes, can you open?
They have massage shower.
I know.
Very nice with the bathtub.
Yeah. A proper closet over here. And yeah.
When you rent these guys, you need deposit or
Deposit for me 1 month.
1 month?
1 month deposit. 11 million or
Yes, 11 million.
11 million. Yearly contract?
6 months maximum.
6 months maximum.
Yes.
Okay.
And not shorter.
Oh, this is a different room, right?
Yeah, this is only room.
Ah, this is just a room. You do also daily here or in this room?
Not a kitchen, but 7 million per month.
7 million per month for like it's like a family room almost. Because you have a proper double bed here, one single bed here, TV over there, wet shower here. Okay, cool.
7 million.
And a rooftop pool.
Yes.
That's good. Nice. Okay. So it's the same layout, huh?
Same.
Oh, okay.
Hello, be careful.
Yeah.
This loud.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not that high. Yeah, be careful if you're over 180. Oh, it's okay. Actually, it's okay. So you have to climb up this one. Then you have a pool here. Ooh la la. And you have miniature seating over here. Or maybe you can get something else here, but yeah, you have a pool. And you see the Sunshine Mountains there and the ocean over there. You're directly behind the Muang Thang building.
Nice.
All right. And what is this here? This is also a pool from the next building. So the next building gonna have this here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. The next building gonna have this here. Oh wow. I have to duck down here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have a little bit of an outdoor area here as well. You can do something here about it too. There you have a washing machine too.
For clothes.
Yeah. Oh, you can hang up your clothes here.
Very nice.
All right. Okay. Yep.
Don't hit your head.
Yep.
Very nice.
All right. I'm excited to see this open. Okay. Bye-bye. Come on. So yeah, everything is getting built now. Should be done maybe next week, but during the Tet holidays, it's not open. No one working, obviously. And this is also a very interesting building. You saw it right away. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will show you these things first. Okay. And this is gonna be an exclusive for my walking channel. I will put it out. I thought about putting it in my member section, but you know what? This is exclusive for my walking people. If you watch my walks and you watch until then, if you went through all those walking, you get rewarded. It's pretty good. It's also, so it is in the Lelo Street. Aussie Bistro is over there.
Yeah.
And the street is here, Lelo, okay? Lelo. I'll show you again, okay? And also it is right opposite of the very famous Lagom Hotel and apartment. So this is the street, guys, Lê Lo. Right behind the Muang Thang building, 5 minutes to the beach. And you can just walk over there, go in, the guy is there 24/7.
Yeah, we should mention that it's very quiet except the what is it, the roosters, but
Yeah.
it's silent. It's
The
just
roosters,
no,
yeah.
Scooters.
But inside it was, yeah, the street here is very silent. There is sometimes the Banbao guy drives here away. You have to know that. He drives here. Maybe you can tip him off and say, hey bro, don't come here anymore. And also if you want to have some, hello. Crypto exchange will be here as well. But let's check out how the Australians are doing. Here are also lots of apartment buildings. And we have some also wild Australians in the wild, in their natural habitat. There's a big one, a very big Australian, mean looking. Oh wow. Maybe.
Defending this territory.
I don't know.
Marcus.
They have tomorrow on every Sundays the Sunday roast here, and I will be usually here on the Sundays because I need to have my lamb. Somehow I became a lamb-eating Australian. Oh, Santa Fe, that's a very interesting car. I think it's a Hyundai, yes, Hyundai. Okay guys, so if you haven't seen the Aussie Bistro, they expanded. It's double the size now. Now they have also huge screens. So they're gonna be definitely the #1 for every sports, because I watch my UFC here on Sundays always. And yeah, it's a perfect combination. So you watch UFC, you have your Sunday roast, and usually I do my meetups here as well, because it's very simple, because I'm here anyway. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Check out the beautiful playlist, or check out this video about Da Nang. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. I know you're watching from TV, so go a little bit up, go to the subscribe thing and subscribe also on your TV. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next time.